In a move that underscores its commitment to bolstering maritime defense, Denmark has secured a significant deal with Norwegian defense company Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace. The contract, valued at €179 million, 2.1 billion Norwegian kroner, will provide the Royal Danish Navy with advanced Naval Strike Missiles, NSM, for integration into its Iver Huitfeldt-class frigates. This upgrade replaces the older Harpoon missile system, marking a strategic leap forward in enhancing the Danish fleet's strike capabilities. The Naval Strike Missile, developed by Kongsberg in partnership with Diehl Defence, is one of the most advanced missile systems in the world today. Known for its precision, versatility, and ability to engage well-defended targets, the NSM provides a substantial advantage in modern naval warfare. Unlike older missile systems, the NSM is equipped with an advanced seeker and stealth capabilities, making it effective even in congested or hostile operational environments. This new missile will significantly upgrade the firepower of the Iver Huitfeldt-class frigates, known for their multi-role capabilities in anti-air, anti-submarine, and surface warfare. The Iver Huitfeldt-class frigates are already among the most advanced vessels in the Royal Danish Navy, equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and radar systems for comprehensive target detection and tracking. With the integration of the NSM, these ships will enhance their operational effectiveness, particularly in anti-ship operations. The missile's impressive range of over 200 kilometers allows the frigates to strike enemy vessels at far greater distances, providing them with a strategic edge over adversaries. As Denmark continues to modernize its military forces, the NSM acquisition strengthens its position within NATO, reaffirming its role in maritime security. The contract also deepens defense collaboration between Denmark and Norway, which plays a crucial role in advancing modern defense technologies. Additionally, this acquisition places Denmark alongside a growing list of NATO nations, such as the United States, Germany, and Poland, who have already adopted the NSM into their naval arsenals. This strategic decision to replace the aging Harpoon missile system with the more advanced NSM is not just a reflection of Denmark's military modernization, but also its growing maritime defense posture. With this new capability, the Royal Danish Navy is better equipped to address modern threats, ensuring its fleet remains adaptable, precise, and effective in future conflicts. The decision marks a critical step in Denmark's defense strategy, enhancing not only national security but also NATO's collective defense initiatives.